looking at how you can use local photographers to really boost your engagement on social media. This is Visit Bath. They're the local tourist information board and driving as many visitors to Bath as possible. Throughout their social media presence, you can see they update regularly with lots of competitions, giveaways, and really regularly feature some beautiful, amazing attractions around Bath. Now, what is lovely in particular about this post is that this is them sort of showing an iconic area in Bath, and really showing, I guess, how stunning it is, how beautiful it is. And they've said enjoying that autumn glow on the river, and they've used the little emoji to make it feel more autumnal. So it really sort of celebrates the change in season, and it would attract anyone down there. Now, what I love most about it is that this is a local photographer. She's taken the image and they have seen it, they've tagged her back in it. And then they've used a bunch of amazing local hashtags in order to drive new people who would follow any of these back to their feed to celebrate Bath, to look at Bath, to maybe want to potentially come and visit it based on this image. But also it means that they're attracting lots of new people to see this lovely photographer's amazing work. And as you can see, another photographer here has actually congratulated Chloe on being featured, and other people have then gone on and said thank you very much and thank you for sharing, which I think is really, really powerful. And that had 358 likes, which is amazing. So I think this is all about making sure that you keep on top of local photographers and videographers in your area, because you can make use of their beautiful imagery as long as you tag them in, and it means you're driving more people to your area and actually supporting another local business as well. Now, I would want to making sure that I understood my social media and what was working for me and what wasn't. So I would go to my Maybe platform. I'd go to listening and insight summary. I'd click on my business here, which for them would be Visit Bath. And then here they can look at a full report and breakdown as to how their social media is performing across all of the channels. But then at an instant, they can look at how many followers they've got across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They can see the number of posts they've got across the channels, the number of engagements. So that is the likes, comments, shares, that kind of thing across each of the channels. Number of posts per day. They can even see the number of engagements they get per day, obviously in comparison to the post. They can view their best post and look at which channel that's on. Is it the same channel regularly, which means that channel is probably the right one that's working for them. And then they can even go in and view their calendar, and they can start scheduling in new content and view other businesses' calendars too. So it's just a really good way of having a bit of a snapshot as to what's working for Visit Bath, so that then if they've got to report back to anybody, they can do it quickly. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.